welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I decided to do a part 2 of a video that I've done before. So I did a video called how to style white t-shirt and jeans in different ways, and today I decided to do a video in which I style a black dress in a few different ways. So if you're interested, if you love wearing black dresses, which I think everyone does, then keep watching the video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel because I need this family to grow, and share this video with your friends. I hope you find the look that you're looking for. So let's get into the video.
So this is our first look, and for the first look I decided to keep it really simple and style it using only some accessories and nude heels. For accessories, I went for a belt from Only that has a golden buckle and some gold earrings from Forever 21. Together with these accessories and these heels, I think this outfit looks perfect for a night out. Now our second look is also a party appropriate or a night out look. For this one, I decided to add a jacket on top of the dress. This olive green jacket looks perfect with some gold dainty accessories and nude heels. You can also wear this jacket off your shoulders to create a more stylish or trendy look. It is a little difficult to make a black dress look day appropriate, but it becomes easier when you pair it up with a denim jacket and some white sneakers. The white sneakers beautifully contrast the black of the dress. For accessories, I went for silver hoops and changed my hairstyle to a half up, half down ponytail. Now to make things a little different, you can also tie the jacket around your waist instead of wearing it on your shoulders. Another way to make this outfit day appropriate is by pairing it up with a white shirt. Everyone owns a staple white shirt in their closet, so you just pair the black dress with that shirt and it seems like you're wearing a skirt. To finish this look, I wore silver earrings, black flats, and made my hair into a high ponytail. This look seems perfect for a brunch. So for this look, I decided to wear a white t-shirt below the dress instead of a white shirt over the dress. If you're doing something like this, you should always wear a t-shirt that contrasts the color of your dress. I also wore a scrunchie just because it looks cute, and finally wore some golden hoop earrings. Now for our last look, I decided to go more formal. I wore the black dress as a black top, and on the bottom, I wore some checkered pants on top of the dress. Lastly, I wore a black blazer with the whole outfit and a white belt that beautifully contrasts this whole look. I also tied my hair up in a high ponytail and wore some classic black heels.
So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.